What is up, you guys? Back here again. Fresh haircut, a little bit bald. It's okay. Today I'm going to add another spring to my wastegate. Okay, here we go. So right now I'm just running wastegate pressure. Got a boost controller. I would like to run off the boost controller so I can control how much boost I'm making. We made about 13 or so pounds on wastegate pressure, but I also took one of the springs out. I'm not gonna go crazy with the PSI, but at least this way I'll be able to control it. So I'm gonna take that off real quick. Also, I figured I'd do a lot of stuff off camera, never mind the birds, but sometimes, you know, guys don't see some of the things I do just because they're quick and easy little things, but I figured I'd just record as much as I can. That way I'm putting out more content. Also, checked my analytics, or however you pronounce it, and looks like only like 3% of you are my subscribers, and the rest of you are just watching. So consider subscribing. I mean, you're already watching it, so you might like it if you're watching it. What if somebody actually did what?
Like cut a little hole so they can whack their put in there. Good.
Oh.
Good pipe in there. What is this? Isn't this supposed to have a thing?
A vent?
Yeah, it's supposed to have something on it.
Yeah, you hook a vacuum up to it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful now.
Oh, I'm trying. Okay. Stay together. I'm gonna launch it right at you, Barton.
Right. Launch it at my pectus so I can have one ball bigger than the other. You hit me in the right one so they're the same size.
What the hell? Your balls aren't the same size.
No one's balls are the same size.
They aren't?
No, the left one's bigger.
I just don't look at mine that much.
You know why? Because the left one, this is just bad.
Then the right one's pointless.
It's just
Is that what you're saying?
It does something, I don't know what it does. Maybe it just holds it while the left one makes it. It's like a storage unit. You don't pay rent, you don't get biggest.
Oh, goodness. Silly little fucker, aren't you? Oh, whenever you're ready. Use them muscles. It's gotta come my way a little bit. There we go. Okay, I got one down. Okay. Nice and tight.
I'm shaking, I'm like...
Tight like a
Turd
tiger.
almost came out.
one, Dave. Go the opposite end, you tighten that one, Dave. Go rewind, chicken. Boy. 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 It's my special needs friend. His mom pays me to hang out with him.
How about going to bed?
So I got my wastegate back in there, as you can see. And then, so to the turbo where this T goes to, the small end is what goes towards the turbo, and the big end goes towards the wastegate. See the big hole, and then the little hole to turbo, big hole to wastegate. This part right here to boost controller, the bottom nipple of the boost controller. So I'm gonna hook this part up, and then I'll show you. I would show you on camera, but I have nowhere to put the camera. I need to get a tripod. Next investment. Okay, that's how I got it sitting right now. And then we take our other line, and we're gonna run one line off of here to the boost controller. So that's how I got it hooked up right now. And I was gonna mount it right there. Now I just gotta test it out. See what she does. Unfortunately, it's starting to storm. So I will catch you guys in the next video, probably in a couple days. I will let you know. Peace out, and I will catch you next time.